Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this Bluetooth speaker. That's from Onlite. You can see right there, and here you can see 3-hour battery life, super wireless speaker, Boss, and whatever. So that's the model number DS-93, and that's the speaker. How it looks like. The design is like a Bose speaker, as far as I can remember. So let's open this thing. Alright, so another box, that box. Alright, so this is a speaker, and the side has a aux cable, and that's a USB charging cable. So let's take this thing out. There it is. That's a green in color. You can see, looks very nice. And there's an Onlite branding right here. And that's a metal grill. That's also green in color. That's the bottom side. Onlite DS-93. And there's a metal or whatever, anti-slipping pad or something like that. And at the back here you can see that's the on-off button, DC 5-volt socket for charging, TF card, USB, and that's the aux socket. So that's it. At the top you can see the buttons, plus, minus, M for menu, and that's for call, I think, if you can see it right there. And two holes are there. I think inbuilt mic is there because the call facility is right there. So that's a very nice thing. And now let's see how it sounds. Let's turn this on.
Onlite, welcome to our music world. Ready to pair.
Okay, that hole is for the blue light. You can see blinking inside, and that's for mic, I think. So anyway, let's connect this to my mobile. And it's connected now. So let's play some songs. So about the sound, I can say it's loud enough for the size of speaker, and the sound is quite a bit clear. It's good, but bass is not there that much. I think this thing just has 1 or 2 speakers, but it doesn't have any bass radiator like that. So bass is not there, no pressure I can feel. But the sound is quite good and clear also. So let's check some other songs. The sound is quite good, as I told you, but the bass is not there because this thing doesn't have any passive radiator. But this is quite a bit big in size, and the design is very nice. I'm getting the rubber feeling, anti-slipping thing, something like that. So you can hold it nicely in your hand and you can carry it anywhere. But the passive radiator somewhere at the bottom or at the middle inside would have been better. So that's it. That's unboxing and testing video of this Onlite DS-93 Bluetooth speaker. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.